Okay, so you have a flat or slow leak, and you are too far away from the nearest tire flat fix. Don't want to wait 15 hours for the tow truck to come and get you to tow you to the nearest flat fix service center? Well, I'm going to show you how to plug that tire so you can get on your way right after this. Hello and welcome to Buke's World at Channel Buke. Here I'll cover an array of content from DIYs, discussions, pro-life tips, editorials, you name it. In order to stay abreast of all new content as I post it, hit that subscribe button. Then hit the little bell icon to get a notification as I post. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Before I start, I'm going to ask for your pardon for two things. Number one, I actually plugged this tire before I realized that I wasn't recording once again. Second, again, I'm filming with one hand, so I have to work with one hand, so please pardon me. So in order to plug your own tire, you're going to need three essential items. You're going to need the tire fix kit, you're going to need some rubber cement, and you're going to need any kind of tool to extract whatever it is that punctured your tire. Once again, I give a quick disclaimer. I'm not endorsing nor am I paid by any of these manufacturers. These are just the items that I used, and you are more than welcome to choose your own. Opening this basic tire plug kit, you'll find a pencil gauge, you'll find a plugger, you'll find a reamer, and you'll also find the plug strips. Rubber cement is included in some kits, but not this one, so you'll need to pick up one. You will also need a pair of dikes, needle nose, or pick to extract the object from the tire. Be sure to mark the puncture location so you can easily find it when you remove the object. As you can see, I didn't mark the puncture location, but I had a pretty good idea of where to locate the hole. The first tool we'll use is our reamer. The reamer basically clears the hole and prepares it to receive the plug. Completely insert the reamer into the hole, pulling it in and out using a twisting motion. You may have to use a little bit of force. It's not the easiest thing to do. The next step is to grab the plug. The plug you'll see are strips of rubber. They're actually gooey, they're sticky, they're tacky, of course, to plug the hole. Next, we'll grab the plugger and thread the plug through the eye of the plugger. Once you thread the eye of the plugger, pull the plug until you have equal amounts on each side. I like to gently fold the plug to measure the ends to make sure that they're equal. Once this is done, prepare your tube of rubber cement for application. Take notice to the point on the top side of the cap. You'll need this to puncture the seal in the top of the tube. Place the point side of the cap on the seal and apply pressure to open the tube. Next, apply the rubber cement to the full length and all sides of the rubber plug. Now that the rubber cement has been fully applied to the rubber plug, we get to the good part, plugging the tire. Now is when you get to use some of those superhero Hulk muscles you haven't used in a little while. Insert the plugger and plug into the puncture hole. Only go as far as 3/4 of the way into the puncture hole. You don't want to go any further. That is about the ideal length. Stop pushing when there's only about 1/4 of the plug still showing above the tire. Once you've inserted the proper length, snatch the plugger out quickly. The plug will remain in the tire and your job is almost done. Now you can grab your cutting tool to cut away the excess plug. Ideally, you want to cut the plug down to the height of the tread. You want to make it flush if you can. Lastly, you want to refill your tire with air. Apply a soapy solution to the plug and check for air bubbles. If there are no air bubbles, you are good to go. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in to Buke's World. And if this video has helped you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.